Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Hardinge DSM-59 little turret lathe. There's your bed turret, a couple of drill chucks in it, miscellaneous tool holders, a handful of other miscellaneous holders there. The plastic on the back of the handle is chipped, but the turret works fine. The turret's tight enough. As you leave a cross slide, you have 2 blocks on it. This is a threaded spindle model. Your bed's in good shape. Mine a little pitting there from, I guess, coolant getting caught under the turret. Your lever works fine. This is a vari speed model. We have some collets in here. They could use a cleaning, but the first half is a set of mixed brands by 16ths. So this model has the coolant pump on it. This is wired for 220 volt 3-phase, and these Hardinge machines are single voltage because they're 2-speed motor on them. First we'll run it on low speed. That's at about 1300 RPM. Just hold the button down. We can drop it all the way down to 230 RPM. Go to high speed. It's 3500 RPM. There we have low speed, 1000 RPM. The brakes works well. We didn't even adjust it, so brake still works good. The pallet closer works fine. All the teeth are on the stall wheel. We checked that. The paint's got some worn spots on the paint, on the edge of the door, bottom of the door, edge of the cabinet where someone stood. Paint's worn on a bunch of spots, but it's a good running machine. You can check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.